gon' get it. Pussy nigga sounding silly, man. He ain't chillin' like a villain, tryna make me a million. Whether it's dope dealing or killing, that's how I'm living. Counting dollars, smoking dank, got me higher than a ceiling fan. You looking scared, here goes my phone. You can call your mans, get your ass smirk for a grand. Or about 5 grams of that kibble. When I got the ball, no traveling, not dribble. Favorite line is blowing through these hundreds, nigga, like some tissue. Put you on a shirt for you, then they forget you. It's drama time, get your mind right. You ain't got no time to be stuck in hindsight, that's why I'm keeping mine tight. Fuck the limelight, I'm about cash, nigga. Pull up, bounce out, send shots, get back in, do the dash, nigga. Drive off 4 pills, pray to God that we do not crash, nigga. Focused on blues, fuck dime pieces. When I leave the house, then I leave my phone. Can't let these bitches know what I've been on. I've been out here for a long time, focused on my mind, my grind. I gotta shine. I've been focused on my cheese, my parmesan. Niggas out here really fake it in your fucking fitted. Stick to yours and Sade. She say she like the way I talk, the way I do things. All black in a wagon, nigga look like Bruce Wayne. She know that pussy on my motherfucking food chain. Triple digit shoot game, wipe the bitch nose like Yoda King. Young nigga really tryna sew the game. You faulty bitch, you need a calibration. Stuck in all what we dominate. Dead to comp, you know much time you waste. No bitch ass nigga need some compensation. I'm stunt nigga on your lame ass. Get the fuck out of my lane, man. They cannot see me, no Ray-Bans. Beat the pussy up like a caveman. Then they caught him. He don't like mealworms. Butter over here loves mealworms. Let me see if we can get butter and mealworm. He's over here trying to get buff for butter. Green bottle, blue chromatopelma cyneopubensis. Fang action. Alright, so this is my Poecilotheria metallica. It's an arboreal tarantula from India. It's sensitive to light, so it might run to the back of this cork on me, but it's a critically endangered species. Very beautiful. An old world species, so they possess no urticating hairs, but a more powerful venom. But as you can see, they're a very beautiful species, critically endangered, and one of my favorite tarantulas. Alright, so this is my Poecilotheria regalis, also known as the Indian ornamental. As in the name, this is an Indian species of arboreal tarantula. Usually pretty defensive species. Since they're an old world species, they possess a more potent venom than their new world counterparts. And as they mature, they have nice little yellow banding
underneath them. I don't know if you can see. This is also one of my favorite tarantula species. I'm a pokey guy. Gotta love them. This would be my Stromatopelma caucatum, also known as the featherleg baboon. This is an African bird spider, an arboreal species that is an old world tarantula, just like the previous videos I posted. It has no urticating hairs, but possesses a medically significant venom. Also one of my favorite arachnids.